Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kali.Alexandria and Happy New Year! I am so excited. It is 2020 and I'm ready to get into this video because it's something I'm so passionate about and I'm so happy to talk to you guys about. If you're new here, make sure you give me a subscribe because I post videos 2 times a week, and give this video a big like if you end up enjoying videos like this, and let me know if you guys are returning and want to see any specific videos. Make sure you leave the video request down in the comment section below because I read every single one of them. So thank you guys for being here, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you guys probably already know, New Year's resolutions are in full swing. I just love the feeling of a fresh start, and although I'm not really that big into making specific New Year's resolutions, I still like writing down goals and things that I want to attain just in the different months of this year and the year overall. But let me know what you guys like doing, if you're more of like a goal setter or a resolutioner. But I just really feel like the new year is for fresh starts, so I'm super excited about it. And as you guys probably already know, a lot of resolutions are based around health and fitness, and the gym gets really crazy at this time of year, but it's hard to stick with it sometimes because I know when February and March rolls around, people fall off the bandwagon a lot. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to start a healthy and active lifestyle in 2020. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the tips now. But I do want to say that our lives are determined by our behavior, and our behavior is set in our daily routines and habits. So you have to have a good behavior in order to set these habits of eating healthier and being more active. So you may want to ask yourself, why do you want to get healthy? What are my goals? What do I want to achieve? What does a healthy you look like? Is that better digestion? Is it a better immune system? Is it leaning out? Is it weight loss? What is it? You need to be asking yourself these things because you really need to hone in on why you're doing this so you can achieve what you're wanting to do. My very first tip is to narrow down your focus. This will ultimately determine which area you want to focus on first. But for example, if you find yourself bloating, you may want to try an apple cider vinegar shot in the morning. Those are super popular. Or if you want better digestion, try incorporating a probiotic into your diet. Or plainly, if you just want to start eating a healthier diet, make sure you're sticking to the outside perimeters of the grocery store and just make more of a conscious effort to know what is going into your body. And a good rule of thumb that I really like doing is always paying attention if I'm nourishing my body. So for example, what I'll do a lot of times is if I have this meal, it's takeout, it's fast food, or it's a meal I'm making at home, I just look at it, and as cliche as this sounds and as dumb as this sounds, I just look at it and I'm saying in my head, body, does this nourish you? You want to be nourishing your body at all times. So I like to fuel my body with good carbs, fats, proteins, and the healthy treat every now and then. Along with that, I try to make an effort to only buy products at the grocery store and only intake products that are from the earth. Now, this is really hard sometimes, but I just try to make a conscious effort to do so. Okay, number 2 is to try and meal plan more often. So it does take time and effort, I know that, but you will be saved when you come home from 8 hours of working throughout the day, and you do not want to do anything besides sit on the couch. All you want to do is watch your favorite TV show and just grab something out of the refrigerator super quick. You can't be bothered to cook. Meal prepping will save you every single time. I'm not kidding. I seriously love meal planning, especially if I know I'm going to be gone throughout the whole day. I'll take meals with me even, so I'll take a lunchbox, and if I know that I'm going to be gone, say for lunch or something, and I don't want to eat out, then I'll just go ahead and prep my meal the night before or just that morning. That's good too. And then always take snacks, because I find that I really like to snack as well, so I always make sure to take some snacks throughout the day just so I'm not hungry and I don't feel obligated and I don't feel pressured to go to the grocery store and buy a snack that might not be healthy. And I do have another note down here, and it just says plan things in advance when you aren't hungry, because that will help with temptations later on. That is the realest thing that is going to come out of this video, because if you just try to stick to planning meals when you're not hungry, it will save you from temptations later on. I am telling you, it works like a charm. Okay, so number 3, I talked about this in my how I stayed fit in college video, and that is just stocking your pantry and your fridge with healthy foods, because honestly, if you don't have access to those junk foods, you're not going to have it as easily. So you will literally have to go out of your way to buy junk food. So if you don't have it, then you ultimately won't eat it as easily. So number 4 is to always tell your family and friends, tell the people closest to you, because they need to know what your goals are and what you're trying to accomplish, so they don't ask you to go out for drinks Friday night, or they don't make a healthy treat for you, or they don't tempt you into going to a pizza joint. I don't know. Whatever it may be, just make sure you tell your family and friends, and maybe they can even hold you accountable as well. So number 5 is one of my favorites, and this is finding an exercise program that you thoroughly enjoy. So whether that's buying the latest 8-week challenge that came out by your favorite fitness influencer, or it's just walking your dog for 30 minutes a day, find something that you like, because if you start dreading your workouts, if you start going to the gym and dreading it, it's not going to be sustainable, and it's not going to be a lifestyle anymore. So find something that you like doing. And number 6 is change your thoughts. So I wrote down here that food is meant to nourish our bodies. I did touch on that before, but food is meant to make us feel good about ourselves. And the better the relationship with food, the better it will be. And one of my favorite things to do as a fitness guru, real quick, I probably should say, just a little bit of a disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a fitness professional or a nutritionist. I didn't go to college for this. I don't have a background in this. I just really enjoy this type of thing, and this is just based on my experience and what has worked for me. So just a little disclaimer. But anyway, going back to what I was saying, you can always find a healthy alternative to any type of sweet snack you like. Everything. It is 2020, y'all. You could always find something healthier than that dilly bar. I say dilly bar because I have been eating these Carb Smart dilly bars, and they are literally 13 grams of carbs, and they taste exactly like a dilly bar. So why would you even buy the real thing anymore whenever you can be eating something healthier? Okay, this one has to be my favorite tip, and we are on number 7, I believe. Is it 7? Yes. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep is the most healing thing for the body. And it's quite sad because so often people underestimate the power of sleep and what it can do to your body. And did you know that even losing a few hours of sleep can be detrimental to your weight loss goals? Just research it, guys. Sleep is so important, especially if you're wanting to lose weight. Well, I shouldn't say especially, because sleep is just good for everything. And then number 8, and that is try to relieve stress as much as you can. I know life sometimes throws you curveballs. You don't like your job, you're going to school full time, you're working, anything like that can put extra stress on the body. And to be completely honest, we all know this, that stress isn't good for anything. I'm pretty sure there's no benefits of stress. And as a female, it's extra hard because it messes up your hormones as a woman. And it causes me to break out a lot, so I try not to be stressed, and that's super big if you're wanting to live a healthier lifestyle. Stress just doesn't mix, so try to eliminate that as much as you can, whether that's getting a massage every now and then, go do something you enjoy, go out with friends, do whatever, but make sure you make healthy choices. Okay, so these were my tips on how to really just kickstart a healthy lifestyle in 2020, and ultimately it takes discipline and dedication, and it's not going to be an easy process, but the time will pass anyway, so might as well make it count. Hope this video helped you guys in, trying to reach your fitness goals this year, and cheers to 2020. If you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up because that supports me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the bell on because that will notify you every time I post, and every time I post is now going to be the Sundays and Wednesdays, I think. It might change, but I think that's the best schedule for me. Let me know how it works for you guys, but you can probably expect my videos on those days. And that is all for this video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And again, cheers to 2020, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.